Turbosmart's in-cabin boost controller allows you to control the boost from the driver's seat. Ideal for the active enthusiast who wants boost adjustment on the run. Detent System makes adjusting a breeze. Gated system brings boost on faster. The Turbosmart gated boost control valve range is one of the best $ for horsepower upgrades you can make to your turbocharged petrol or diesel engine vehicle. All Turbosmart gated boost controllers feature our exclusive gate feature, which minimizes wastegate creep and can improve turbo response by up to 800 RPM earlier. In the rev range, this means you can increase the performance and response from your engine without even raising the maximum boost level.